The NHS is getting more productive in that per pound it's producing more, it's paying more doctors, it's producing more appointments, but that isn't translating into big waiting list falls. Is that the right picture?
That's exactly right. So the NHS is getting a bit more productive, but it's still less productive than pre-pandemic to start with. But you're right. In some sense, the government set this productivity target kind of as an instrument for achieving all of its other targets. And it's done really quite well, it seems, on productivity. Productivity is above target in terms of growth. But as you mentioned, the waiting list is falling really quite slowly. So that's a bit of a puzzle there. Why is that? We've looked into this, of course, and the reason seems to be that, yes, hospitals are more productive and therefore they're delivering more activity. So, they're doing more surgery, they're doing more outpatient appointments. That's happening. But at the same time, we're not seeing as many more people leaving the waiting list. So we're doing more activity, but not as many people proportionately are leaving the waiting list as that increase. So what that means is that people, when they leave the waiting list, are receiving more care. Maybe they're getting an extra outpatient appointment. Maybe they're spending more time in hospital. So we're getting more activity, but it's not translating into corresponding falls in the waiting list. It seems because people are receiving a little bit more care.